black box decoded, and what investigators found left the entire aviation world in shock. What really brought down the Boeing 787 Air India Flight 171? The answer is more disturbing than you think. After days of deep investigation, the truth behind the tragic Air India Boeing 787 crash has finally been uncovered. It is uncontested, nobody can challenge it, and it is more alarming than anyone expected. Investigators from India's AAIB, in coordination with the global agencies like NTSB US and AAIB United Kingdom, analyzed both the flight data recorder and the cockpit voice recorder. The aircraft had taken off runway 23 at 1:48 p.m. Weather clear, system normal, speed and angle of ascent or climb was perfect. But then something shocking happened. In just 1 second, the captain's seat jerked back violently by 30 centimeters. This jolt caused the captain inadvertently pull both the throttle to the idle backward, cutting off all the thrust instantly. In panic, the first officer shouted, "We lost thrust." The captain screamed, "My seat! Mayday, mayday, no thrust, going down." Within 26 seconds, both engines had completely shut down. And was it the pilot error? No, the root cause is a mechanical failure in the captain's seat assembly. That's what the black box reading shows. And it was not the first sign of trouble. And past record shows the broken locking pin was inspected but only temporarily repaired 11 days before, and no proper post repair testing was done. Week prior to, another pilot reported for the same aircraft that reported 3 to 4 second delay in flight control response. Let's not forget, this is not the first Boeing 787 concern. In past, all Boeing 787 fleet Dreamliner were grounded for the battery fire for 4 months. As a Boeing insider, Abul Al-Aif, tail aviation expert, warned that the Boeing company has rushed the 787 into the market without finishing the safety verification certificate, and approximately 30% of the parts are outsourced globally, adding complexity and the inconsistency. It is the time for the aviation agencies like Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau India, UK, and NTSB United States, and Boeing itself, and GE Aerospace, to work together and restore passenger trust. No traveler should ever face risk due to ignored warning or rushed manufacturing decision. I would have gone in more deeper and more detail, but there are some restrictions from YouTube and TikTok have to maintain their policy. You know what I want to say. So stay blessed. I must urge the people that delay can be justified if somebody finds even a simple error or simple malfunctioning. Delay the aircraft because disaster cannot be justified. You can justify the delay many reasons, but not compromise the safety. Stay blessed.